Good evening. Today's video is going to cover how you're going to study the material off of the MyITLab. So we already established that in order for you to log into the MyITLab, you need to use the Pearson green widget on your Cobra site. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where for students, it's going to be MyITLab course content, and I'm going to go through the Instructor Access. Once I come here, you see that there's the ebook, there's chapter 1, 2, 3, and if you look, there's chapter 4 doesn't show. It's because chapter 4, these chapters are not actually copied in order. So when I assign chapter 4, make sure that you scroll down to actually find chapter 4. The very first chapter that we're going to start looking at and reading is going to be chapter 1, Using of Technology to Change the World. When you click on this, you will see that there are 4 different titles that chapter 1 has. There's the instruction, there's the practice, there's the review, and there's the assessment. The instruction is mostly made out of stuff that you would need to study the textbook. So the e-text is available. You will click on the e-text, it will bring the textbook for you, or you can look at the PowerPoint presentation, which has the important parts off of the for chapter 1. So when you come to these, you will see that these are actually going to be assigned to you. So once these are assigned, it will show as assigned stuff. So this is just for your reading purpose, for your reading pleasure, and you will learn the material by doing going over the instruction part. Then there's some practice part is where you actually what you have read you will get to practice. And again, under the practice, there's a virtual computer tour, and then there's a test bank questions. I'm going to only require that you do the soundbite, which is a virtual computer tour. So I will assign that for your practice, and you can, once you click on this, it's going to take you to a place where you can. So you see that it actually explains what the assignment is going to be, and then you just click on, to the next level, and you'll learn inside of a computer. The parts that they're associated with grading is going to be the review and the end of chapter quiz. So you want to watch the chapter overview video 1.1, and you want to also watch the video 1.2. Then there are 5 questions that they're associated with that first video and 5 questions associated with the second video. So when you click on this, it's a couple of minutes of overview of the chapter, first part of the chapter. When you click on this, it will bring the questions and it auto grades. And once it grades, then it actually stores your grade. And you have 2 attempts for each one of these, and they're all open book. Once you're done with the reviews, then you're ready to do your assessment. And when you're ready for assessment, you click on the assessment. There's the end of the chapter quiz, and I also assigned that. So all of these are assigned and ready for you to do. So that kind of this is the overview of how you will study the chapter.